Once upon a time, at a university in Washington, a professor named Mr. Jenkins was infamous for his acerbic wit. One day, he discovered his car was covered in post-its, reading, "I hate your classes." Furious, he reported it as a hate crime. The FBI arrived, baffled by the unusual hate crime. They launched an investigation and gathered everyone in the auditorium. The tension was palpable. Finally, they announced the perpetrator, Mr. Jenkins' Parrot. The bird had picked up his owner's sarcastic humor and mimicked it. The whole university burst into laughter, and even Mr. Jenkins couldn't help but chuckle.